I'm delighted that Dr. Tang is a recipient of the Laureate Award this year. I think her focus on teamwork and how she leads through innovation has been just phenomenal. She's set the bar high for herself and for her team, and she's done a tremendous job.
She is, I would say, a very, very compassionate individual and an excellent physician. She has, I think, many of the attributes that we like to see in not just our leaders, but also in our physicians. So she embodies so many of the things that we're trying to build here at UHS.
Dr. Tang's leadership style is to sort of be one of the team and to really understand everybody's workflow and their workload and how they're doing it so that she can step in. It's a lot of servant leadership is how she really embraces her role. She takes it very seriously, but she also takes it equally seriously that everybody feels like they're an equal contributing part of the team.
I would say that Dr. Tang is the most compassionate and empathetic leader that I've had the privilege of working with at UHS. She is very attuned to employees' needs, emotions, and the day-to-day responsibilities and requirements of being on the floor as a nurse. And I think that as a leader, she really and truly understands the pressures that those individuals are put under. So when they call the command center, she's really able to lend an empathetic and compassionate ear to those employees.
Dr. Tang is better than having Google. She's board certified in 3 or 4 different specialties, which is amazing by itself. But in all the years I've worked with her, I can't think of one time I've asked her a question and she just didn't, she knew it right off the top of her head and was able to answer it and give me more than an answer, but good information and the reasoning why. It's really amazing, and her knowledge and her dedication to what she does here for UHS.
There's been multiple situations where we've had to coordinate testing for units or for after-hours testing, where she always makes sure that the employee gets taken care of. She takes a lot of late-night phone calls. She's always trying to make sure that everyone gets heard and that they're valued and taken care of.
When we set up the emergency drop-in daycare center, she provided significant guidance and support for how we were going to establish that center, the safety around it, and even coming in and her team testing our employees on a weekly basis. So again, very innovative thinking, always keeping safety in the forefront of everything that we're doing. She has been just an absolute complete light throughout this time period that everybody should look towards to emulate her behavior and how she has conducted herself throughout.
Her loyalty to the organization, her commitment to the organization and to the community that she serves, it just embodies the principles of UHS value. She is a good example of women physician leadership that is badly needed, and we need to continue to advance that. So I'm looking forward to having her as the leader and to improve the impact on the community.
She's the glue for the entire COVID response. She is the go-to person. She is self-effacing, but she is widely respected by pretty much, I don't think you'll find anybody to ever say a bad word about Ann. And her staff love her, and we appreciate her. She's everything that, she embodies every principle that UHS stands for.
Dr. Tang is one of our stars. She has a great future potential here at UHS. She's currently the chairperson of the UHS Medical Group Board, and so we are really pleased that she's in that position. But we see Dr. Tang as a leader now and a future leader. Her potential is really unlimited, and just really pleased that we could provide her with this recognition with the UHS Laureate Award.
When I met Nancy Rongo here as the vice president here, I asked her to mentor me with a 10-year plan to become the chief wellness officer of a healthcare institution. So that's what we've been working on, and it's 9 years in. Do I feel like I'm ever going to leave UHS? Absolutely not. I really feel that this is home for me. I think you can see the growth of this organization as well as the command center. The people here is amazing. They came in all from different departments, and all of us came together and we had a collective goal, and we continue to improve on it. So it's great to see us all be part of the family and continue to grow and get better at what we do.